This patient from Vietnam traveled to JasG to do a lowering hairline to camouflage the facelift scar. Day 7 today. Indication is lowering hairline at the same time camouflaging the scar after doing the facelift. Let's have a look. This is day 7, lowering hairline. The microscope already been out. All the graph intact. The angle direction in place correctly. And this is coming to the right of the temple angle. This is the widow's peak, and this is on the left of me. Now the scar from here to here is 15 centimeter. From here to here 15 centimeter. The width of the scar 1 centimeter in the center. We can see here microscope out, and all the graph is into the scar. It's been placed inside the scar from the center, coming down here, going to the left here. Now this is on the other side here. We can see all the graphs still intact and camouflaging the scar resulted from the facelift and coming down just above the ear on the right side here.
Thank you, JasG.